Hello, geography students. Happy Tuesday. I hope you're having an amazing day so far. I hope your day gets even more amazing or continues to improve as you go along. I'm missing you all today. I wish I could be there with you, but we've got a really fun thing planned today and a really fun thing to do for the rest of the week. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen so that we can begin talking about it. So today, we are going to be introducing our Canadian provinces and territories mini project. Okay. Our daily objective for the day is I can research a Canadian province with a group and begin making a presentation. Okay. So this week, we will be doing mini research projects on some of the provinces and territories in Canada, right? As you remember yesterday, there were 10 provinces in Canada and 3 territories. We have created a list of provinces and territories that we will split the class up to learn about and then present to everyone else. Okay? So there will be 3 people in each group. And each group will be responsible for one of the chosen provinces. Okay? So, in your project, you will answer a driving question. The driving question is just the main thing that you need to answer in order to complete this project. Okay? The driving question will help focus your presentation on a central idea or a central theme. Okay? But that's not all that you will include. You will also discuss stereotypes of your province. You will also discuss a tourist attraction of your province. And you will also discuss 5 themes of geography, our favorite thing to do in this class. So, I will have a presentation template for you to follow and a graphic organizer to help you with your research, okay? Today is going to be just graphic organizer research, okay? Tomorrow, I will give you that presentation template so that you can finish up your research and begin creating the presentation. On Thursday, you're going to finish that presentation. And on Friday, you're going to give those presentations to your classmates. Something else that's important to know is that this mini project will count as a summative assessment, okay? This means that it will be worth a bigger part of your grade than a normal assignment, okay? I also have a sample presentation to show you about the province of New Brunswick, one of the provinces of Canada. Hopefully, all of these things will allow you to best create your own assignment. So for the next steps, for the rest of today, I will show you the project documents, okay? We will go over what you need to do today. Then you will be placed into groups. And teacher Maypo will be going to each group to help you pick which province or territory you will be researching, okay? Do not begin until she tells you it is okay, right? Do not begin until teacher Maypo tells you it is okay. So, this is the presentation template that you will be using to create your presentation, okay? So, you're going to put the driving question here. You're going to talk about stereotypes. You're going to go through the different themes of geography. And then finally, you're going to go over the top destination of your region, okay? We'll talk more about this tomorrow, okay? But here is an example that I'd like to give you. A presentation by teacher David and teacher Nolan. So we are talking to you today about New Brunswick, one of the provinces of Canada, okay? So our driving question was, what makes New Brunswick a unique province that is worth visiting, okay? And the reason is on the eastern coast of Canada, it provides a nice combination between different regions. Okay. It's right on the water. It's got a very vibrant fishing community. Okay. As you can see here, it's got beautiful natural views on the water, and it is famous for its lobster. Okay. So on this page, we're going to talk about stereotypes. Some stereotypes about New Brunswick is that all people are lobster fishermen. That because it is the only official bilingual province, everyone speaks English and French. And another stereotype is that New Brunswick is called a drive-through province because it is boring and no one wants to drive through it. Okay. And here's why those stereotypes can be false and harmful. New Brunswick has many different industries. People are not just doing forestry, oil and gas, or people are not just lobster fishermen. They do other things. And not everyone is bilingual. Most people only speak English. And New Brunswick has a ton of beautiful things to see. Okay. Here's where we talk about the location. Okay. We give its absolute location, but also its relative location, where it is close to. Then we begin talking about the place. Okay. New Brunswick is located along the Atlantic Ocean to the east, right? Talking about those physical characteristics. We also talk about place culturally, okay? Who are the people who live in this region? Then we talk about region. Human environment interaction here. And then movement. How people get around in the area. So, if we're talking about top destination of New Brunswick, it's got to be the Bay of Fundy, okay? It's a top destination because of its beautiful scenery, its outdoor activities and fresh seafood. It has the highest tides in the world. Look at the tides go up to that the tree line up there and all the way down here. So I hope you all visit New Brunswick. That's how I'm going to end my presentation. So I will post this tomorrow when I post your actual presentation template tomorrow, okay? But today, what you are going to be working on is this graphic organizer. So first, follow these instructions, okay? Make sure that the share settings are set to edit so that I can see and all of your work. You're going to be placed into your group. You're going to be given a driving question. The driving questions are all right here, okay? So when you first get placed into your group, look at these driving questions. Which place seems most interesting for you to study? And then hopefully Teacher Maypo will be able to give you that work, that province, okay? Then you are going to complete the graphic organizer and work on that today. So here's the timeline. Today, we're going to split up the work and begin working on the graphic organizer. Tomorrow, we're going to finish information in the graphic organizer and begin making the presentation. On Thursday, we're going to make and complete the slides presentation. And on Friday, we're going to give that presentation. Okay? So here are the driving questions. Here's what you will review to decide which area you are going to choose to study. And then the first thing that you're going to do today is look at all these things that you have to research. Okay? Look at all these things you have to research. That's a lot. You're only going to be able to get this done if you work together. Okay? So everyone needs to do a really good job of working together. Talk to each other, right? Help each other. Most importantly here, where it says person responsible, here's where you can split up each section of what is going to be talked about in the presentation to your different group mates, okay? So each person can contribute some to the overall group effort. And down here is the rubric. So if you're curious about how I will grade you, this is where you can go. All right, geography. That was a lot of me talking at you, okay? But the number one most important thing for you to do today is to get into your group, choose that province with the help of teacher Maypo, and get started on that graphic organizer. So with that being said, thank you all for being here. Thank you all for doing your best. And I look forward to seeing you all tomorrow. Goodbye, everybody.